Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about the first initial substage of the phase known as the G1 phase of interphase. So let us see what are the activities a cell is performing in this phase known as the G1 phase. G1 phase has been named as by different names. So what are those? It is known as G1. It can be also known as the gap 1 phase. It is also known as the post-mitotic phase because it mostly happens after a phase of mitosis or the M phase. It is also known as the pre-synthesis phase because it happens before the cell is synthesizing or duplicating or doubling. So this is known as the pre-synthetic phase, and also it can be called the first growth phase because this is the stage where a cell starts growing. So this is the first growth phase. So these are the different names by which G1 phase can also be called. This phase happens between the M phase and the DNA replication, that is the S phase. So this is the phase between the M phase and the synthesis phase, that is the S phase. This is the longest phase of the interphase. Among all the three stages, that is G1, S and G2, G1 phase is the longest phase of the interphase. In this phase, the RNA and different types of proteins are synthesized. Along with this, there are numerous amounts of nucleotides, the amino acids, and very importantly, the energy rich compounds, that is the ATP molecules, are synthesized in the G1 phase. Why? Because these ATP molecules and proteins will be required for the further synthesis or the further cell cycle processes that is going to happen. So G1 phase is a very important phase. This phase is been checked or regulated by a cell cycle checkpoint that is known as the G1 cyclin checkpoint. It is also known as the CG1 checkpoint. This checkpoint actually regulates or decides if a cell is going to perform G1 or not. Now, this G1 phase, if a cell is in G1 phase, it can happen that it can follow the three different fates. What are those? First, it can continue the normal cell cycle and it can simultaneously enter the S phase, that is here. From G1, it can enter the S phase, that is the synthesis phase. This is the normal phase of the cell cycle. Secondly, it can happen that it can stop the cell cycle and enter into a phase that is known as the G0 phase. We are going to study about this G0 phase in our coming videos. So it can stop and enter the G0 phase. Now, this cell cycle may get arrested in the G1 phase itself by the cyclin dependent protein kinase checkpoints, that is CG1 checkpoint. It can get arrested where it may enter the G0 phase and again it can come back to the normal cell cycle, that is it can re-enter the cell cycle. So in this video, we have talked about the first subphase of the interphase, that is the G1 phase. We have talked about the different activities a cell is performing in this phase. We have also discussed that if a cell is in G1 phase, what are the different fates the cell can perform. So I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.